always fall in love. I just can't help myself, despite knowing all the hurt that it brings. But for that fleeting moment, I fool myself that this time I make it work out for me. And while it always hurts when love comes calling my name, I dread the day I stop falling all the same. When they